Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. And we have here in this additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles in today's newspaper. So, yeah, that's a lot. And the first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, is this really a 3 stars? I don't think so. This will number 8757. Because this one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star for 1 star puzzle. You need to be faster than 50 minutes. Wow. It's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Okay, then let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, I only place level 3, shoot me there. 3, need 3 there. Need 3 here. 3. How about? Yeah, but 6 there. 6 in this row. 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair. The 4 and the 6 in this row. The 4 and the 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left, the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 in the row above, no 6 there. The only place left, the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. How about a 9 in this column? 9 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? No. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. Well, in this column, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 in the row above, no 4 there. The only place left the 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4. Cannot continue with 4 now. Need to wait. How about the number? Need an 8 here. Okay. Alright. Need a 5 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Come on. Need a 1 here. Five missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in the last row, so no 1 and a 7 in these three boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright. Then two numbers left in this column. The second column for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So on that row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column. Last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the row above, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then two numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay, now, I need a 1 here. Yeah. We have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in this row. The 1 and the 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So two numbers left in this row for numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 589. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So two numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. He's missing the 6, the 7, and 8. He's missing 5 and 8. That means one digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Need a 2. And I need a 9. Well. 9. Need a 9 there. Two numbers left in the last row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes at them. Then 5 and the 2. Two numbers left. Need to wait here. 2 and 9. Yeah. Okay. How about 1, 2, and 9. 1, 2, 9. Okay, and now 2. Need the 8 or I need the 5 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 7 here. I need a 7 here. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. And 1 and a 2, and I need a 7 here. And I need a 7 there. 7 here. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 7. I'm stuck here. Okay, and I stuck here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left of the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 5, and the 7. Five and the 7. All right, now. Need a 9 there. How about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and a 5. Need a 1 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2 then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in row 3, in the middle row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, I believe the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and 9. We have a 9, 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. I've marked those 2. No, 2 numbers left, the 1 and a 9 here. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. Let me see, 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Faster than 15 minutes. Told you. Should be a 1 star. with 27 printed digits. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.